Mayday, Mayday, Mayday. Thomson 253 Hotel, engine failure. We are continuing with northwesterly and then inbound towards Wallasey.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. All runways available for landing, surface wind 070 degrees at 5 knots.
Manchester, Mayday 263 Hotel.
Mayday 263 Hotel, all runways available. Advise if you wish vectors or continue visually for 06 left or right, surface wind 060 degrees at 5.
That's all understood, sir. What we are doing is heading in a northwesterly direction. We'd like to establish on the inbound radial 084 towards Wallasey, climb to 3,500 feet, and then we will advise you of our intentions.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. You may do that 3,500 feet, 084 radial towards Wallasey, and keep me advised if you wish further climb.
We'll do Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel.
And Thomson 263 Hotel, runway 09 at Liverpool is also available should you so wish. Keep me advised.
Hey, from Thomson 263 Hotel. Approach, good morning. Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel, maintaining altitude 3,500 feet, inbound towards Wallasey.
Thomson 263 Hotel, Manchester approach, roger, Mayday, squawk 7700.
Squawking 7700, to reiterate our intentions, we are heading towards the hold at Wallasey. We would like to take up the hold at 03 left turn to prepare for a return into Manchester 06 right.
Thomson 263 Hotel, roger, just continue own navigation as required, maintain altitude 3,500 feet, QNH is 1023 millibars.
All understood on the QNH 1023, Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel. Mayday Thomson 263 Hotel, just to confirm, sir, when we do land on 06 right, we're not anticipating any problems in vacating the runway. We would, however, of course, request fire support and a visual inspection of the brakes before we vacate, but subject to that, we should be able to vacate and stop on the parallel.
Mayday Thomson 260 Hotel, roger, that is understood. There is an airfield full emergency. You'll have both the local airfield fire service and the outside fire service on standby.
Understood, 263 Hotel. Tower Mayday 263 Hotel, established on the glide 06 right.
Mayday 263 Hotel, hello to you. You are clear to land, runway 06 right, the surface wind is calm.
Clear to land 06 right, Thomson 263 Hotel.
Observe via Yankee 1 into runway 06 right.
Observe Yankee 1 into 6 right.
Man 53, he's entering 06 right.
Man 53, yes, you can enter runway 06 right now.
Good.
Man 51 entering 06 right from the third fire station.
Thomson 263 Hotel, vacating runway.
1200. Thomson 263 Hotel, roger. Left turn there and then you can stop wherever you wish and the fire vehicles will approach your aircraft.
Tower Man 51 vacated 06 right.
Man 51, roger.
Man 53 is vacated 06 right.
Man 53, roger.